Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing such a video. Before we get into it, do you get like and subscribe? I'm going to go 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You guys like and subscribe? You guys need. Okay, so today we are going to go to look at TikTok life hacks to do on Roblox. Yeah, so there is some live hacks what you can do on Roblox, and it's pretty cool. And that's our merch, but this merch is not out at the so only when we get like a lot of followers. Because I just started the other day ago. Sure, this YouTube channel is a very new YouTube channel. Yes, yeah. So you guys better like this video. Be liking this video. Okay, so I don't know what to go first. Should I go to which one should we do? Which one should we do? I don't know which one. So maybe I'm also gonna be showing you secret the guy's shooting. Stop! I'll shoot you back. This guy's on here. This guy's literally shooting. He's literally shooting me. Go away, that box. Go away. Go. Okay, yeah, so we're gonna go to the police station, right? So, TikTok, I saw this on TikTok. You go here, right? And then you're gonna go, and you're gonna go inside. It's a secret spot. Like, it's a secret spot. You can just play hide and seek, and then your friends can't even get you. Like, oh my god. Yeah. So this is a pretty cool hiding spot. So, yeah. I'll show this to my friends. My friends know about it, but I will tell them everything. So yeah, I don't know. Oh, yeah, okay. No reason I'm going in there because I'm doing nothing in there. I'm gonna do nothing in there. So guys, so now we're gonna go to the hotels. Yeah, we're gonna be going to the hotels. Yeah. So yeah, there we go. You can try any hotel. I'm just gonna try the last one right here. You guys can try I always use the last one in my hotel. So yeah. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna lay down, or you can just do this. You can just do this. You can spell AFK. You can do this, or you can just do this. Yeah. So I'm gonna do that, and then you're gonna go here, and then boom. Yeah. I showed this in my other video. I didn't talk in video. My first video. Yeah. So that's pretty cool. And to get out, you just jump up. You just jump up, okay? You just jump up. You know what? And one thing. Okay. So let's go check on the other thing. Oh yeah. So now. They said you could actually use this thing right here. Okay? This thing right here. I don't know what you call it, but yeah. Okay, bang, get the Pokemon back. You can actually do this, okay? See, you're gonna go into here, and you're gonna get your credit card. This thing can actually work, guys. If you guys don't believe me, this watch. I'm gonna put out the blue one, because pink is not my color. I was doing the white. Okay, what? Guys, look at this. You literally get money. I get a little flex on him. Flex. You, bro. That thing can actually work. TikTok don't tell a lie. TikTok don't. Yeah, so TikTok don't tell lies. TikTok don't tell lies. They don't tell lies, guys. Always trust in TikTok. So let's see if there's something that's cool. What you can the police out to get on the roof. So maybe some of you might know. Yeah. Some of you might know. So you're gonna go in here. It's shining bright. Yeah. Then you're gonna go up to the ladder, okay? you can actually get on the roof. I mean, you might know this. Then you can get on the roof in school. And and guys, if you don't know, there's another place, another secret spot. You guys might know this. Yeah. So you guys might know this. It's this here. It's you guys. It's this place. Some of you, a lot of you might know this. A lot of you might know this. You can actually go in here and then you you already in a cool place. Most people know this. My friends know this. Yeah. So a lot of people might have known this. Yeah. So yeah, I showed the secret spot in here. What I actually was gonna show is you go here, okay? Okay, you can go here. Oh no. You just click on the mop. Click on that mop. And then yeah. You just jump down there and then you jump down and then here's a secret spot. Yeah, so guys. Some of my friends know this, yeah. Some of my friends know about it. Yeah, so some of my friends know about that one, and I think I never got to show you guys. There was 2 new houses that opened up. There's this one. That one. A lot of people are using it these days. It's very fancy. Oh, there's 2. Hey, the one at the taser. Get back, get back, get back. Taser, taser, taser guy. Taser guy, taser guy. Taser guy, taser guy, get back. Get back, get back here. Who's this little kid? Kid, I don't think you should be walking around these days. Okay. So I'm going to take you as a tour. Obviously, he didn't leave it open. Okay. Let's see. Okay, let's take a tour of this one. A lot of rich people here. Okay. Okay, now this guy's gonna get a job. Now this guy's gonna go for it. I knew it. You guys might be. One day I'm gonna be playing Adopt Me, guys. So you guys might be in 2 weeks. In 2 weeks, I'll be playing Adopt Me, guys. Yeah. This guy look cool. Why didn't you take out your animal? The animal with him. Try to see his car. Oh, guys, you see his car. Oh, let's go, guys. I'm stealing his car. I'm literally stealing his car. I'm gonna dump it here. Oh, there we go. What? He took away his car. No. Oh, guys, I forgot to tell you that you actually on this house you actually have the thing, yeah. On top of that house, yeah, you can actually see the wires. Yeah, that thing only has electricity. Oh, this guy is pulling out a gun with me. Hey, get back. No, no. Come back here, you little fish. Come back. Shoot at me, bro. Shoot at me. I'm faster than you. Shoot. Let me shoot. Shoot at me. I'm giving a gun to him, guys. This is a bad mistake, but I'm gonna give it to him. Did he take it? Oh, don't. Oh! Okay, guys, that will be the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed this video, give the like and subscribe. Give this video a like and subscribe. Oh, this guy's scaring me like nuts. Okay, bye.